One sunny morning, a little girl named Emma found a magical book in her room. When she opened it, the letters A, B, and C popped out and began to dance around her. "Come with us, Emma," they called, and she followed them into the book, starting an exciting adventure. First, they arrived at an apple orchard, where A for Apple handed her a juicy red apple. Next, B for Butterfly led her to a beautiful garden filled with bright, fluttering butterflies. C for Cat purred and played with Emma as they strolled through a cozy little town. As they continued their journey, Emma met more letters, each with something fun to show. D for Dog wagged its tail, E for Elephant sprayed water playfully, and F for Fish swam in a sparkling pond. The adventure went on, and Emma learned something new from every letter she met. P for Pizza shared a tasty slice, R for Rainbow filled the sky with colors, and Z for Zebra galloped beside her. When Emma reached the end of the book, she had learned all the letters from A to Z. "Thank you for the adventure," she said, waving goodbye to her new alphabet friends. Emma returned to her room, holding the magical book close, excited to open it again and explore the world of letters anytime she wanted.